What's good, y'all? Today, I will be talking about how I got my credit score to, as y'all can see, I'm going to put up the motherfucking thing. How I got my credit score to that. I'm only 18, y'all. If y'all really wondering how I got my credit score to this at only motherfucking 18, first of all, let me say that my pops be on my ass. He always tell me, reiterate, like, listen, don't never go over this amount, don't never go over that amount. And the fact that he stay on my ass, it give me that little support system, it give me that little push that I need, it give me that little boost, right? If you don't have nobody that will remind you and be like, in times where you may be like, yo, damn, I'm tripping, or to make you be like, oh, the times to where you looking at your credit score, your credit card, and you want to buy something, and that reminder, like, damn, okay, this is what I'm supposed to be doing. You feel me? Because my such as my grandma, my pops, my mother, my sister, my brother said this to me, right? So we all need that support system. That's number one. Somebody to stay in your ear, like, okay, don't forget this. It's so easy to overspend because that's what they want you to do anyway. So you won't build a credit score, right? But always use only 30% of your credit card. My credit limit is $300 right now. So 30% of $300 is $90, right? I only went over that shit once, and that was by accident because I forgot about this and that. I went over it once, and it wasn't nothing crazy. It was only like $110, right? That's it. And that's once. I had my card for like 5 to 6 months, right, y'all? And from here, what I usually do is I just spend like $75, $80. My shit is due the 12th of every month, right? My credit card is due the 12th of every month. So that leaves me enough time to be like, okay, let me pay it off. Also, not only use only 30% of your credit card. So if you got a $300 limit, they say spend $90, but don't even spend 90. Really spend like 75, 80. You feel what I'm saying? And that keeps you in the green area. And you could get used to that because my credit card, for instance, is due the 12th of every month. So I got to pay it off 3 days before the 12th. That is the 9th of every month, right? Because it takes some time for your check to actually clear, your statements to actually clear. Not your check, your statements to actually clear. So you want to do it 3 days before your start date. Your statement date is due. So if your shit is the 15th, do it the 12th. If your shit is the 20th, do it the 17th. If your shit is the 25th, do it the 22nd. Every time, no excuses. 3 days before the date. Get that shit done, bro. Get that shit done, bro. And from there, after months and months and months of doing that shit, guess what? You're going to build your credit. And you're going to be good. Because the thing with credit is OPM. Use other people's money. Use other people's money. And from there, we're going to just keep building amazing wealth. But this video is not too long. It's just a short of how to get my credit score like that. I'm only 18. I'm going to go for a higher limit also. So what's the end of this? Like, what's the fucking point, right? What's the point of building your credit? One, OPM, use other people's money so you can build your own shit and get your own shit. Then have higher limits and then pay it off in increments, right? And then your credit score will just keep increasing. Not only that, your credit score, your credit report is like your debt report card, bro. You can't forget that your credit score, your credit report is like your debt report card, right? Also, you can increase your limit. So my limit 300 right now. Say when it's 500, right? What's 30% of 500? We about to do it right now, y'all. 30% of 500 is 150. And that's good. That means I'm increasing my limit. But obviously, the thing about credit cards, you still got to pay it back with your own money, obviously. But I could pay it back in increments. If my statements is due the 12th of every month, right? And I spend some money, right, on my credit card, so it's due the 12th of every month. I just got a new statement and I spent some money on the 18th. Like, I got all this time to pay it back. Instead of spending 150 at once, I could break that 150 into increments, right? As in, I could do what the fuck I want to do and spread it out and then still pay that. Think about credit cards. You're still using that 150. You're just spreading it out, right? So if I have a $500 limit, it's not 500, it's 150. If I have a $300 limit, it's not 300, it's $90. And it's a little bit now, but guess what? You got to think long term. And by the time I'm 23 or 22, even 20 years old, let 2 years go by, I'm going to have so many credit cards with so many benefits. And that's the point of this shit, to use the system. Because it's always fuck the system, y'all. We not going to forget that. We revolutionaries around this bitch. So it's always fuck the system, and we got to do what the fuck we need to do. And I got to put y'all on information. So we got to Yeah, fuck the system, but we're gonna use the system to our motherfucking advantage. So if you wanna get your credit score like this, make sure you listen up, do what you need to do, lock in, and stop playing around with your life. Keyword is discipline. The key word is discipline. Remember that.